Jumping, jumping.
It's all in the hips. It's all in the hips.
There's no...
It's all in the hips.
Jumping, jumping, jumping.
Oh man, those are the two cutest babies in the whole world, easily.
LJ, can you give Evan a hug? How about a hug?
A hug.
A hug.
Oh. He's jumping. It's hard to hug a jumping boy.
Hug.
Evan, give LJ a
Dangerous.
Hug.
Oh. LJ, do you have a kiss for your cousin? Can you give Evan a little kiss? No. That was so sweet. Wow, we're having a fun Christmas, huh? Wow, we were jumping on the furniture and everything.
Yeah, I wonder how that was.
Yeah, how's that okay?
Yeah.
It's Grandma's house. Anything, you can do anything you want at Grandma's house.
boy.
Oh, boy.
You guys have
Grandma
says the
what?
only rule of grandma